Bitcoin trades below $29,000, Ether trades above $1,800. Bitcoin liquidity drops to 10-month low amid US bank run. Alchemy Pay raises $10 million at $400 million valuation to push South Korean expansion plans. Japan regulator flags 4 crypto exchanges including Bybit for operating without registration. DeFi tokens Shiba Inu clones Populate zkSync as locked value climbs to $100 million. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. The cryptocurrency market has experienced instability due to rising inflation concerns and last week's legislation from US regulators against crypto exchange Binance. Bitcoin was trading around the crucial $28,500 levels. Manoj Dhara joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
If talk about IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.5% at 38,100 points. So, the CFTC classifies Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin as commodities and has accused Binance of conducting unregistered derivative trading with these digital assets. In another interesting news about Bitcoin, which is the Bitcoin ordinals has reached a record high on the back of the protocol's newly introduced BRC20 token standards. And according to Dune Analytics, Bitcoin ordinals hit an all-time high of 72,328 daily inscriptions as on April 2nd, surpassing the previous records of 31,700, which is actually analysts have mentioned. The big news coming in from the OPEC Plus, which has surprise production cut announced, has actually jolted the riskier assets such as cryptocurrencies. However, the market overcome a knee-jerk reaction and Bitcoin staged a comeback rally. Although the rally was not that supportive to take the Bitcoin higher, about 28,000 or maybe 29,000 odd levels, the global cryptocurrency market cap was trading lower at $1.18 trillion, decreasing by 0.5% in the last 24 hours. The total crypto market volume, if we have witnessed, has shown an increase or surge by 40%. To stand at $40 odd billion. Market observers believe that the regulatory action against the crypto industry is increasing day by day, and which is actually a positive sign for the whole cryptocurrency market. Meanwhile, investors will also keep an eye on the various US key economic data released ahead in the week. Separately, the US government announced a schedule to sell 41,490 Bitcoin in 2023, a big cause of concern. That's the reason why the Bitcoin is likely to test its previous lows of $25,000. That's what analysts have said. Last month, the US government sold $216 million worth of Bitcoin that was actually seized during a November 2021 surge connected to the cryptocurrency that has been stolen from the Silk Road, which is the dark web marketplace. And this is the key event wherein, the staggered amount in which the government is going to sell its Bitcoin will be a key event to watch. The US government is still maintaining to sell its 41,490 Bitcoins in 4 separate portions through 2023, which is actually, they have announced according to a court filing. The US stock futures, which is actually retreated as a new quarter kicked off Wall Street with a big jump in the oil prices. Nasdaq 100 futures shed 0.6%, while S&P 500 futures fell marginally. Futures to the Dow Jones Industrial Average ticked up 130 points or 0.4%. Bitcoin was trading at $28,284, down by 0.2%. Ethereum was trading lower by 0.8% at $1,804. We spoke to Devjani Mohanty, who is a fundamental market expert. Let's understand what she has to say about the crypto markets.
Breaching $28,000 levels, Bitcoin is again shining at a 9-month high. It's mostly because of the prevailing uncertainty in the US banking space. Many investors have turned to alternatives such as crypto, gold, real estate. The growing concern about the safety of the traditional assets have led to a psychological awakening in the Bitcoin community.
Thank you, Manoj, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Bitcoin market liquidity has dropped to a 10-month low despite a bullish quarter in terms of price gain. The liquidity dry-up is partly attributed to the bank run in the United States and the ongoing regulatory actions against crypto companies. BTC's price has registered a 45% surge in 2023, making it one of the best performing assets. The price gains come amid a looming financial crisis in the traditional financial market, with stocks and bonds seeing one of their worst years. As the financial crisis has worsened, several banks have collapsed. The banking crisis has also directly impacted the crypto ecosystem. The collapse of crypto-friendly banks such as Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank removed important US dollar payment rails for crypto, leading to a liquidity crisis, especially on US exchanges. The crunch in liquidity has also led to increased price volatility, forcing traders to pay more fees in slippage. Slippage refers to the price difference between the expected price of a transaction and the price at which it's fully executed. The liquidity crunch has also led to higher price volatility on US exchanges, where the price discrepancy between BTC and US dollar pairs has increased drastically compared with non-US exchanges. For example, the price of BTC on Binance US is more volatile than the average price across 10 other exchanges. Alchemy Pay, a payments provider based in Singapore, has received $10 million in investment from market maker DWF Labs at a $400 million valuation as it eyes expanding its business in South Korea. The company, which provides a way for crypto companies to access the fiat payment system, aims to capitalize on South Korea's high level of crypto acceptance and assist local firms in achieving greater internationalization. It has previously worked with the likes of Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, and Apple Pay to this end. Last week, crypto exchange OKX plugged Alchemy Pay into its platform to make it easier for customers to purchase crypto using their local currencies. The $10 million injection into Alchemy Pay continues DWF Labs' prolific investment streak of recent weeks. The market maker has now put its name to 8 investments or funding rounds of at least $10 million into crypto and Web3 projects in the past 6 weeks. The combined total reaches to $165 million. Japan's financial services agency said foreign crypto exchange Bybit, Bitforex, MEXC Global and BitGet are operating in the country without proper registration in a warning letter published on Friday. The notice said the exchanges were in violation of the country's fund settlement laws at the time of issuing the warning letter by conducting crypto asset exchange business without registration. The regulator also said the list of unregistered traders does not necessarily indicate the current state of unregistered business. Although Japan is working on new regulations for the crypto and Web3 sectors, the country has not cracked down on the industry as hard as some other larger economies, such as the US, following what was a turbulent year for the market in 2022. The FSA issued a formal warning letter to Bybit for operating without necessary permissions back in 2021. The newly launched zkSync era blockchain is seeking brisk activity as value locked on the network crossed $100 million this weekend amid a flurry of new token launches. L2 beta data shows over $69 million worth of Ether and nearly $30 million in USD coin stablecoins have been locked on the network. The amount is likely distributed among several zkSync-based projects for purchasing ecosystem tokens or providing liquidity to exchange on the network. Over 3.3 million transactions have been conducted on the network since its March 24 launch. The network has a speed of 4.4 transactions per second. DeFi Llama data shows SyncSwap and Mute, both decentralized exchanges, hold over $30 million in locked tokens. Mute's native MUTE tokens have a market capitalization of $47 million, while SyncSwap has not issued tokens as of early April. Over $19 million is locked on SyncSwap's liquidity pool for USDC and Ether, which is paying annualized yields of 46%, or one of the highest figures in the crypto market as of Monday. Now let's go to Vishakha Thakur to get an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
DogeCoin experienced a remarkable surge on April 2, reaching its highest value since February 23. Sentiment, a crypto analytics firm, reported that addresses holding over 10 million coins had amassed 1.47 billion Doge since the start of the year. Sentiment, a cryptocurrency analytics company, tweeted on April 2nd at 8:37 am UTC that there were signs of mild decoupling in DogeCoin over the weekend as it had gained 9% in the previous 24 hours while most other cryptocurrencies remained stagnant. According to sentiment data, addresses with 10 million or more DogeCoin tokens have amassed 1.47 billion tokens worth $123.1 million since January 1st. According to data from TradingView on crypto exchange Binance at 1:51 am UTC on April 2nd, the Doge price surged $0.0856, which is the highest it has been since February 23. Currently, Doge is trading at around $0.0826, up 8.12% in the past 24-hour period. Despite this development, Doge was trading at $0.077, down 7.47% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $11 billion. Shiba Inu network activity has reached an all-time high, according to renowned analyst Ali Martinez, who cites data from the Sentiment portal. At the end of March, Shiba Inu reportedly experienced its highest daily surge of active addresses in 2023, with nearly 36,000 SHIB addresses transacting on the network. After 2 weeks of trading in a range defined by 7.8% drop on March 15, the SHIB price exploded in action in the final days of March, rising more than 9%. However, according to Into the Block's detailed statistics, the majority of transactions made during the surge in network activity were in the $10 to $100 range. There were also 578 transactions involving Shiba Inu tokens worth between $10,000 and $100,000. There were 51 truly big deals with SHIB during this period. Of these, 50 were for amounts between $100,000 and $1 million, and only one was for an amount higher than that but less than $10 million. Shiba was trading 5.27% down in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $6 billion. More than half a quadrillion baby Doge have been burned in the last 24 hours, according to Burn Baby Doge, as the Baby Doge team and community embarked on a massive token burn. 5 quadrillion Baby Doge tokens worth $1,486,525 have been burned in the last 24 hours, according to Burn Baby Doge. This has increased the amount of total supply burned. So far, 48.776% of total supply of 420 quadrillion tokens has been depleted. The Baby DogeCoin team deconstructs the massive burn figure. The team burned 257 trillion Baby Dogecoins worth over $668,000 in total. Then, in a single large transaction, another 310 trillion Baby Doge worth $806,000 was sent to dead wallets. Proof of the burn transactions on BSC Scan was shared by the official Twitter account. It should be recalled that Baby DogeCoin confirmed it would burn 5 Baby Doge for each token burned through the Burn portal, which launched in mid-February. According to it, over 51 trillion Baby Doge were burned by the community through the Burn portal. Baby Doge was trading at 2.39% down in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $3 million.
Thank you, Vishakha. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV and have a great day.